time for a quick break. I'm sore. Yeah, that crash might not have looked like much. When I did it, but broke my brake lever and got my leg and my arm, which I can't really see too well. Anyway, I had a feeling, yeah, and the only day that I wear shorts. Yeah, I know. Don't wear shorts, you dumbass. Anyway, so this day has been amazing. Yeah, I'm sure you like looking at my hairy legs. This was supposed to be fun today. Oh well, that's what I get. I knew I was wearing shorts, and so I was like, do I want to ride up through all that blackberry bushes and stuff? I'm like, I'll ride over the top of it. And I actually did okay until I started getting, I don't know, paranoid or something. And then I ended up, well, you saw. Then, I don't know, then after that, then I was like paranoid the rest of the time from that crash. And plus, when I was going up the hill and I crashed the second time, I was sitting down, and maybe I should have stayed home this weekend. Yeah, anyway. It wasn't boring, at least. Well, anyway, that's it for now. Hopefully I'll make it down to the truck again in one piece.